What's going on, guys? All right, so the Audi R8 is finished. It looks amazing. Gotta say, I really like it. I wasn't really a fan of the pattern at first, but I think it looks great on the car. Just kind of get a better perspective back here. Yeah, that's sick. So that's pretty sick. We just gotta slap some of the pieces back together. That's the spoiler section. I didn't put that like that. And the mirror on the other side, the passenger side, sorry, driver's side mirror. And yeah, that's it, man. Something's holding up good so far as what we've done already. We just finished this side up today, and that's pretty much it. So we'll slap the mirror back on and get her out of here. Customer's eager to show it off. They have an event tomorrow evening, and yeah, I think it's gonna do well at the event. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this car and you think it's badass, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I have a Challenger coming up next week, doing it in Avery with some stripes. I'll show you how to do the stripes. I'll show you how to wrap the Challenger with Avery. Maybe we'll even do some like taking things off the car, who knows. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.